Hi everybody, today in this video we are going to discuss about a carbon-carbon single bond formation coupling reaction, which is a cross coupling reaction, which is a Negishi coupling. We are going to discuss the reaction, mechanism and more examples from literature for Negishi coupling. This is the reaction where R, Z and X. Here R group is the alkyl, alkenyl, aryl, allylic or benzylic group, which may be in R. The R may be of this one, and X is a leaving group. Leaving group. In presence of palladium or nickel, in R dash X is added. Here R dash refers this one. R dash is alkenyl, alkynyl, aryl, allylic or benzylic. Here alkyl will not be present in the R dash. After that, the R and R dash will be coupled to form the product, and this is the Negishi coupling reaction. See, this is the mechanism. The first metal is attached with the 4-triphenylphosphine. After that, 2-triphenylphosphine is removed to form the palladium 0 complex. After that, oxidative addition happens. If R lithium is present, it is reacted with dry zinc bromide to form RZnBr. This is oxidative addition. Here RZnBr is added over here to form BrZn will be added in one place, and R will be added into the metal, and 2-triphenylphosphines will be attached to the metal. After that, R dash X, which is a alkyl, not alkyl, alkenyl, aryl, benzylic, allylic halide will be attached over here to form the palladium, and triphenylphosphine will be present there, and in presence of zinc bromide, the R dash will be replaced. After that, the reductive elimination happens to form the product, which is a product of this Negishi coupling. This is a coupled product. See this example. This is the starting material. See, zinc chloride is present over here, and this is the alkynyl halide. You see, alkene is present, alkenyl halide is present over here in presence of palladium 0 complex, and THF is a solvent is used here. The zinc chloride will be replaced by this alkene group. Here the zinc chloride with bond will be eliminated, and this iodine will be eliminated, and with this will be coupled over here to form the product, which is a Negishi coupling reaction. It is reported in JACS in 1997. Let's see the mechanism of this reaction. See, this first step is the oxidative addition. Here the metal is attached with the 2-triphenylphosphine, and zinc bromide will be attached over here, and after that the alkene, which is the starting material, is attached over here. After that, the alkenyl halide is present over here, will attach here in presence of zinc bromide. After that, the reductive elimination happens. The reductive elimination, the zinc bromide with bond will be eliminated, and iodine will be eliminated to form a coupled product, and this is the product of the reaction is uptime. This is the starting material. See this, the bromide will remove over here. In presence of bromide, this alkyne will attach over here, and this will couple to the starting material, and thus the coupled product will be obtained in presence of zinc bromide. Here the zinc and the leaving group is present, and here the halide is present. Thus it is the Negishi coupling reaction, which is reported in JACS in 2003. Thus the coupled product of the compound is obtained. Now we see this starting material. Here in presence of iodine, and this iodine will eliminate with bond. After that, it will couple over here, and this iodine will be eliminated, and this iodine with bond will be eliminated, and this product will be coupled here to form the product, a coupled product. A carbon-carbon single bond will be formed over here. Here in presence of zinc chloride and palladium tetraphenylphosphine. After that, this 2 ppH3 will be eliminated. After that, oxidative addition of this compound. After that, the reductive elimination happens to form the product. You see this example here. This is the starting material. We are reacting with palladium compound. This is palladium 0 complex in presence of THF or NMP at 100 degrees centigrade. These are the solvent used here, N-methylpyrrolidine and THF at 100 degrees centigrade. The coupled product will be obtained. Here the chlorine with bond and the ZnCl will be eliminated to form the coupled product. Now you see this example. This is starting material. We are reacting with lithium in presence of this tertiary butyl, phenyl tertiary butyl. Now this epoxide will open over here. The OLi and lithium will be present here. The lithium and this OLi will add. The lithium will add over here. After that, the zinc bromide and palladium complex, which is an Negishi coupling. Negishi coupling happens over here. Here we are adding this phenyl bromide. Here in presence of the lithium with bond, it will eliminate and the phenyl bromide will attach over here, and this O lithium will be converted to OH, and thus the Negishi coupling reaction is explained in this reaction. Now you see this example. This is a starting material and this is an alkenyl complex, and this the zinc iodide with bond, and this OTF will eliminate and this product will couple over here, and thus the Negishi coupling, which is a coupled product. The carbon-carbon single bond will be formed over between these two complex, and thus the coupled product will be obtained in presence of palladium 0 complex and the zinc halide, and thus the reaction of this can be explained. Now you see this example. Here this is the starting material. We are reacting with this compound in presence of nickel. We can use palladium or nickel in the Negishi coupling. After that, the zinc iodide and the bromide will be eliminated, and this one will be eliminated, and this two will be coupled to form the product. And this is another example. See, this is starting material and alkenyl halide is added over here in presence of palladium triphenylphosphine at 40 degrees centigrade. The zinc iodide with bond and this iodine will be eliminated, and this will couple over here to form the product, and thus the carbon-carbon single bond will be formed between these two compounds, and thus the Negishi coupling is explained over here. And you see the last example. This is starting material in presence of alkynyl halide and palladium 0 complex. The zinc chloride is attached to this one, and this zinc chloride with bond and iodine will be eliminated, and this will couple to this one, and thus the product is obtained using the Negishi coupling reaction. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get notified. Have a good day.